Okay, so the question says the trace of matrix A is 3 and trace of A cube is minus 18, then we need to find out the determinant of the matrix A. And we know trace is nothing but sum of the diagonal entries. So let's assume the matrix A as A, B, C, D. But here they have already given the trace of the matrix A equal to 3, which means we will be getting A plus D equal to 3. And from here, I can write D is equal to 3 minus A, right? So I can write the matrix A as now A, B, C, and in the place of D, I'm going to use 3 minus A. So now, according to the question, we need to find out the trace of A cube is, we need to find out the trace of A cube, which is given as minus 18 here. So if I go for A cube, we have to multiply the same matrix 3 times, that is A, B, C, 3 minus A, B, C, 3 minus A, and A, B, C, 3 minus A. So if I do this full multiplication here, this matrix is going to come as the first element of this matrix will be A cube plus ABC plus 3BC, right? The second element I'm not interested in, third element I'm not interested in, and the fourth element here is going to come as 6BC minus ABC plus 3 minus A whole cube. So this is what we are going to get as the A cube matrix. And why we are not considering the remaining 2 elements? Anyway, we need to find out the trace of this A cube. So I'm interested in only these 2 elements. So these 2 elements are simply time waste if you are going to solve for those. So this is what we got as the A cube, right? So now just find out the trace of this one. According to the given condition, we'll be taking the trace of this. So trace of A cube is given as minus 18. So that one is going to be the sum of the diagonal elements. So which is going to come as A cube plus ABC plus 3BC. That was your first element. And the second element that we had as 6BC minus ABC plus 3 minus A whole cube, right? So this value is given as minus 18. So now here, one thing that we can see, this ABC and this ABC gets cancelled, and we got this one as A cube plus 9BC plus this one is going to be 3 minus A whole cube, that will be equal to minus 18. So now we can expand this 3 minus A whole cube also, right? So what we are going to get, so this one is going to be A cube plus this one is 9BC, and if you expand this one, so we'll be getting that one as a 27 minus 27A plus 9A square minus A cube, and this one is going to come as minus 18. So now here again you can see this A cube and A cube gets cancelled. So if I take all the terms to one side, so here what we have, this is going to be 9A square and this is going to be 27A that we have here. So if we take this to the other side, so we are going to get minus 9A square and plus 27A minus 9BC, and that one is going to come as 45, right? So I'm taking this minus 18 to this side and the other terms are to be taken to the other side. Okay, so why we are doing this one? So now that you can directly see here is, if I take 9 common from this everything, if I take 9 common from this everything, so we will be getting that one as 3A minus A square minus BC. So that one is equal to 45. And we got this one as 3A minus A square minus BC is equal to 5. So now, if you remember the matrix A, so we got the matrix A has A, B, C, and 3 minus A. And for this one, if we talk about the determinant, what will be the determinant of this matrix A? So that one is nothing but 3A minus A square minus BC, right? So whatever the value that we got here is actually going to be the determinant value only, so which will be equal to 5. So for this question, we are getting the answer as 5. So it is just, you have to assume the matrix and we have to find out what is A cube, and from there we will be getting our required answer for this question as 5.